Okay, so guys, first of all, disclaimer, I'm going to show you how I like to put these in. Everybody has their own rhythm, and you'll find the way it works for each particular brand or product, depending on how it fastens together. But this particular one that we're using, this is how I like to put it in. You can see, I'm not going to zoom in and show you anything, but you can see that this has a really tiny edge that goes under the lip of the last one that you've got to fit in there. So the first thing that I do is I get that lip started in this corner, and then I'm going to lift it up on edge and bring it far enough over that I find a nice tight seam over here. Now this one you actually have to kind of tap into place in order to get like the super tight joints. So you want to make sure that you don't have any wiggle room there. The next thing that I do is I'm going to cut myself a little chunk of this. And the particular point I want you to see is that I've put that same inside edge that goes against your open edge on your piece. And that's so that I can lock this in and I can take a hammer to it. Probably didn't hear me say that. But take a hammer to it, and when you tap it, you notice that it actually slid itself down. So that's kind of the convenience of this particular product, is that as you hammer it, you can really tell it's in there because it will naturally drop down to a flat angle. So I just kind of come along until it drops down, and then you can see that you've got an edge here. You can hammer that down with a hammer as long as you got a nice smooth hammer and you're careful with it. But another option is to just come in like that. You're not going to have any marks or anything like that, and you're ready to roll.
Hey guys, so we're in the store real quick, and I noticed that they had one of the products that some people like to use it. This is an installation block. It's something you're going to get as a part of a pre-finish installation kit. You can see from a side profile that it's just got that little ledge on there, and this allows you to have basically just a beater block. This is so you can put it along the edge of a pre-finished floor and have something to hit against, so that you're not going to tear up that lock-in transition edge when you install these. I like to just cut one of these pieces in half, but this is also a solution regardless of what kind of product you're installing. So you can check that out. This one's by Blue Hawk, and we can put a link for this up on the description.